Hey guys, it's Logan Hanks here, the young farmer. I'm on a 2013 S670. Our 9770, it broke down. Like a bad breakdown. So bad that we had to come get this combine. So I was going to show y'all what the new S-Series combines look like. Granted, this is a 2013. But this is harvesting with the S670. I got my yield monitor here. Some pretty awesome corn. 200. Very, very dry. Hammering it at about 4.2 miles an hour. You can see all my stuff. It's a lot fancier than my 9760 that I've got in my other video. It's got a big old cab in here. Buddy seat. The kids rode with me a little while yesterday, and similar controls still. Got your gears, four-wheel drive, high and low, and see, it lets you know when you're 3/4 full, and then when you're full, I got a little thing where the lights flash when it starts to get full. Yeah, that's kind of the gist of this thing. It's a cool machine. I've enjoyed running it so far. You know, I've not run a 680 yet. I've heard a lot of guys say that that's the way to go, but then I heard a lot of people say that those have issues. So I don't know. For now, I'm in a 670. And we're about to be to the end of the row here. This morning is it's doing pretty awesome. And we're gonna pick it up. I'm not gonna make it back probably all the way, so I'm gonna stay on the outside rows. I've been counting over 8 rows, but for this time I won't be doing that. All right, and we take back off. My dad is actually, you can see him kind of coming that way. He's on my 9760 that's in my other video. So it's getting back up in there. It's awesome corn.
It probably ain't no need to put any more on that buggy.
Got all the electric mirrors.
Oh, y'all get too good, I'm ready to go load the truck anyway.
That's him talking on the radio.
I mean, you can see the corn there. I mean, it would hold another 100, but you don't need to put no more on it.
Here he comes. We'll meet him. Pass him on the 9760. So that's my machine. I had to drive and get this one. So 9760. My old baby there. It's dusty corn, but I don't know. I've enjoyed running this thing. It's making me get the itch to upgrade combines. I'm not gonna lie. Doing a good job. I like to see it there. It's got all of it up in there. And, I mean, it's cool. I've liked this machine so far, and it's very comfortable. Got good air and everything else. So that's the inside of an S670 for you guys. Still shelling 200 bushel. Again, makes her go and stop. And yeah, guys, I mean, I hope you guys like the video, and just let me know anything you'd like to see. I mean, comment, let me know anything. And if you like it, like the video, subscribe. I want to make these videos for you guys. The grain tank is full. So thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you enjoyed my video. So have a good one.